Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make an audio call on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to tap on your DMs at the top right corner. Now to make an audio call, here what we're gonna do, first choose the person that you wanna make an audio call with. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, so I'm gonna tap on it. And as you see here, we have this little phone icon. This one represents the audio call, while the camera icon represents the video call. So to make an audio call, here we're going to tap on the phone, the little phone icon. And now this one is my second account, so I'm just going to tap on answer. And now you can talk to each other. You can mute the sound. You can turn on the speaker. Or if you tap on the settings icon, you can share the audio link. Now we're gonna go back from here, and now to end up the call, then you can just tap on the red button at the top right corner. And this is it. This is how to make an audio call on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See ya.